good evening mga ka-iSense and welcome to our fourth game for today. This is the IBL Week 2 and we have Iloilo Mission Hospital versus Lead Generation. So both teams are coming off from a win from last week. So both teams have a 1-0 record. So once again, this is Migo Nins with
Kuis being here and ito yung last game natin no and isa na namang umatikabong aksyon ng makikita nyo ngayon na mapapanood nyo dito sa IBL iSems TV or iSems in Facebook if you're watching live and yun nga sabi ni Migo Nins no Iloilo Mission Hospital versus Lead Generation both have 1-0 standing in our league today. And let's see kung anong mangyayari dito sa game na to. Both teams are powerhouse, no?
mhm, both teams have significant followers as well, no?
I agree, significant followers. And yung sa ilalim nila na presence and presence on on their guards is really prominent, no?
Mhm. So, a clash of styles here, Kois, because Mission, they have ample sizes, di ba? Versus Legion na medyo maliit.
Oo,
So, we'll see which style will prevail.
correct. And style ng legend is
Run and
fast
gun.
run and gun, no?
Mhm.
With mission is set play and
Utak.
sabihin na nating utak, no? Veteran,
Utak.
mga veteran moves.
Veteran.
Delyaban with the 2 points.
Yan, no? So, like that ba? So, sabi mo utak, ito, pinakitaan ka agad ni Delyaban.
Oh, and napansin ko ngayong week, puro bagong gupit sila, ha?
kanina ba yan, Koy? Like, that's like coming from the first game pa, pero siguro,
Pador with the chat, wala. Rebound by Chris Riola, pushes the pass break. Delyaban, 3-on-2. And Legend stops the break. Poral, tumira, wala. And rebound goes to
Vicente.
Legend and muntik na makuha ulit ng mission yon. And Badayos with a drive,
Uy!
wala. Sobra. And
Sobra.
here comes Loyola on a fast break. Ang ganda ng pasa kay Lenchoco sa ilalim pero wala. And number 91 is last touch for that play. Balik sa Legend ang ating bola. And thank you sa 11 million viewers watching at home. Salamat po and keep on watching.
Ooh,
What
what
a
a block
block
by Pural.
by Poral. The score is 2-0.
Tabila, inside, surrounded by two towers. Walang nagawa doon.
Oh, Twin Towers ba naman ang sumalubong sa'yo?
Dilyaban.
Loyola, fakes, stutters, binigay kay Linchoco sa ilalim, wala. Binalik kay Loyola for the 3, and bang for Loyola, 3 points. And a little tip for our viewers, no? Chris Loyola is called the Ilonggo Black Mamba because of his Mamba mentality. And here comes Delyaban with a fast break. Takes it all the way and Mission 7-0 is the score. And there's a timeout called by Legend early this ball game. 7:42 remaining. 7-0 lamang po ang Mission sa game na to. And we will be back mga ka-ISEMs. And balik tayo sa game. Badayos, binababa ang bola. Badayos, kalaban si Poraldon. And Pador drives with a left hand. Pero left-handed naman siya talaga.
Finally, no? Of course,
Finally,
Legend
Legend
was able to
scores.
score.
Oo. Again, Delyaban plays point formation. Gives
Wa-
to Lombayong. With a
Wide
shot,
open three.
wala. Battle for the rebound. Pural underneath. What a top by Pabila. Ang ganda ng depensa doon ni Pabila, Migo Nins,
You
no?
gotta give him hard, course. Pues Sporal is not a small man.
Oo. And Delyaban takes the two. Pasok ang jump shot na yon from Delyaban.
Fundamentals lang.
Correct, basic
Basic.
basketball. At Pabila, may sabit doon.
Yeah, Pabila, no? Forces it. The
The General,
general.
Adrian, the General Delyaban from Mission Hospital.
Yan.
Pabila takes the second free throw. And there's a substitution. Alin Sub and Costan coming in for the game. Alin Sub for Legend and Costan for Mission. And Costan played a good game on their first game last week,
Mm-hmm.
no?
Yes. So there, the general.
Passes to the Black Mamba, the Ilonggo Black Mamba.
A block
Costan
there by
Black,
Vicente.
but a putback by Poral there with the 2 points.
Iba na talaga matangkad, course.
Oo, iba na talaga. Matangkad tsaka malaki, no?
Oo.
Pador bumangga pero bumalik. Bounces off from
Mm.
Poral pero nakuha pa rin yung tira na yon.
Bumangga, kala ko siya pa yung magigiba eh.
And here comes the General. Titira pa ng tres pero pinasa kay Poral. Binigay kay Lenchoco sa gilid. Lenchoco takes the three and a rebound by Loyola. Parang sinungkit lang.
Parang tinanong eh, anong height mo?
Parang sumungkit lang ng santol sa puno nila. Lenchoco, binabantayan si Badayos. Badayos. And Legend maintains control of the ball. Badayos drives. Pinasa kay Alin Sub. Alin Sub takes the 2-point. Wala. Rebound by Delyaban. Delyaban pushes for the break. 4-on-2 situation. Binigay kay Loyola sa ilalim. Ang ganda ng pasa pero wala. Loyola takes the shot again. Wala pa rin. And sayang yung effort ng Mission doon. And here comes Legend. Pabila with that stutter step. Pero nakuha ng Mission. Delyaban. Poses.
Ayan na yung gulang oh.
Passes to Poral. Pero may foul sa likod.
Yung laro talaga ni Delyaban is like he's calculating all of his moves. So parang general talaga.
Oo. Magaling siya sa sa tactics, no?
And that's
Badayos.
an easy shot off the inbound.
Badayos. Here comes Pabila. Pabila rushing. Binigay kay Pador. Pador drives. Kalaban si Loyola doon sa ilalim. Wala. Pador again takes the rebound. Pero may foul na tinawag ng referee.
So good effort there for Pador, no? To get a foul from amongst the threes. Well, Pador is not a small guy rin naman, Kois, pero versus sa mga front court ng Mission.
And nakikita mo yung sipag niya sa ilalim, no? Hindi siya yung pagtira, pababayaan niya na lang, talagang humahasel siya. And 15-6 is the score. Lamang pa rin po ang Mission, 4:45 remaining in this first quarter. And Palmehar comes in for Mission. Palmehar will play point for Mission here. Palmehar, tumira ng tres.
Di binantayan eh.
Pasok, an open three for Palmehar with the 3 points there. And dagdag na naman sa kalamangan ng Mission yung 3 points na yon.
Yes.
18-6
That
is the
was,
score.
that was bad defense from Legion. Kahit di mo kilala
Oh,
yung kalaban mo, if it's open, at least
you
give.
have to really challenge it.
Oo.
Pador, binigay kay number 30 sa ilalim. Tapal ni Costan. Here comes Mission running. Loyola, binigay kay Costan. Costan binigay sa
Oh, what
ilalim
a
pero na
steal!
steal. Nice defense there by Alinsub. Pabila leading the break. Takes it all the way. But
Traveling.
a traveling violation is called. And Badayos comes out. Number 999 comes in. Easy Meal is in the house. Here comes Palmear.
Another open shot, oh.
Oh, tumira na naman ng tres. Open 3,
Well,
wala.
short this time.
Buti na lang, wala. And 999 hassles for the ball. A pass break gives to
Nice
Alin Sub.
pass!
What a pass on that fast break transition between 999 and Alin Sub. And what a defense here. Sulit. Gives to Palmihar. Palmihar. Binigay sa ilalim pero na steal. Here comes Legend. Running again. 3 on
Ooh,
2.
no look
And
pass!
what a pass there. Pero
Sayang
wala.
lang, di lang na-score.
Sayang yung opportunity na yon, no?
Mhm.
Palmehar gives to Silverio.
So we have Moya and
Celo
Celo
coming
coming in
in
for lead gen.
for Pador and Pabila.
So two
Damo na
minutes
crowd, pre.
and 58 seconds left
Aha.
in the first quarter. 18-8 is our score in favor of Iloilo Mission Hospital,
Aha,
mga
aha.
ka-ISEMS.
And easy meal with that spin. Wala. Rebound by Silverio. Passes to Palmehar. And Mission is on their break. Costan. Binigay kay... Uy, traveling violation there by Almansa,
na
Amazona.
na excite.
Oo. Eh, yun din naman minsan ang problema, no? Yung na-excite ka pag hawak mo ng bola and you have something na nakikita mo na pwede mong gawin.
Gawin
Doon tayo nagkakamali din eh.
as a
Eh,
turnover there for Leeds. And
and here comes a break for Mission. Sulit. Binigay kay Palmehar. Palmehar to Amazona. Amazona back to Palmehar. Palmehar takes the three. Wala. Rebound by Silverio sa ilalim. Basket by Silverio.
what an offensive rebound there.
Moya crosses.
Double team. Wala.
Easy Calyado. Drives. Takes it all the
Uy!
way
What a
and one.
move!
What a shot. Nakita nakita niya yung butas doon, no? Migo Nins, no?
Parang
And
Terence Romeo yun.
oo, nakita niya yung butas doon and hindi siya nag-hesitate na i-drive yung bola na yon, yung drive na yon.
Ah,
And
naka-Terence Romeo siya doon, hindi siya easy meal.
oh, and the score is 28. Lamang pa rin ang mission and we will be back mga ka-ISEMs. Maganda rin ka lang yan, pre. Taga-pabiya ka. Kala ko ba? Late ka pa agina.
And we're back, mga ka-Ison. So it's 2010 in favor of Mission Hospital. And we have one more free throw to complete a three-point play for Escalado, number 999 of Lead
Grabe,
Gen.
yung number niya talagang pinili niya talaga to, no?
Tingin ko,
Superstitious to.
hindi, tingin ko 1 week niyang pinag-isipan yan, Kois.
Oh,
If he's gonna go for the 999
999.
number ba.
Palmehar.
Buti nga
Pase
hindi
sa
nila
ilalim.
nilagay yung ano eh, yung toll-free number eh.
Oh, 1-800.
And that's a wide open three
Oh, another three
for
from
Team
Mission and
Mission. Yes.
23-10 ang score.
Ayan.
Escalyado, muntik na madapa pero traveling ang tawag ng referee. Grabe yung spike doon sa sapatos niya. Eto nga, Palmehar dribbling the ball.
They leave him wide open again.
Sulit with a spin. Binigay kay Amazona with a three. Wala. And battle for the rebound. Sa ilalim, may foul na tinawag ng referee. Foul on number 12, Cielo. And pinaul niya si Hanas. And Hanas and Costan inbounds the ball. Oh,
Oh,
nato,
stepping.
stepping. Hindi niya nakita yung linya doon.
So 54.6 seconds left, Kois, in the
Oh,
first quarter.
54.6 seconds, 23-10 ang score, 23 ang Mission, 10 ang Legend. Moya, binigay cross pass kay Escalyado. Escalyado spins,
Uy,
behind
what a
the back
move.
dribble, pero
Pero
natapik. Moya, muntik nang matravel. Cielo drives, natapik sa likod.
grabe yung
Agaw na
defense
naman
ng
ang
Mission.
grabe yung depensa ng Mission, no?
But ball goes back to Legion. Oh,
They
same ball.
they are all over the place ang
Mhm.
Mission sa depensa nila.
They are on a mission with their defense.
Oo, sulit. Binigay kay Hanas. Sulit to Hanas. Hanas, Palmihar, spins and takes the shot. Wala. Rebound by Costan. Costan,
Tra- traveling,
there's a
yes.
traveling violation by Costan.
Hindi na nag-dribble eh.
Oo. And pumibot siya eh. To travel talaga.
So, last shot opportunity for Legion.
Oh, I think they will really take the last shot. Oh, pero tumira si Muya doon ha. And rebound by Costan. And I think Mission will have the last shot here.
That's a miss.
Amazona takes the shot.
Boom! Another
Bang! 3
three.
points by Amazona on that easy shot. Escalyado takes the buzzer beater pero hindi pumasok yung tira na yon. And Mission takes the lead 26-10 dito sa first quarter. And tingnan natin kung ano mangyayari sa second quarter, Migo Nins, no?
Yes. So for the meantime, we'll take a short break mga ka-Isms. Again, if gusto nyo pa-shoutout, just leave your comments there and we'll give you a shoutout once we are back.
Kami
And
po ay
we
nagbabalik sa
are
inyong mga
back,
piling, mga ka-ISEMs.
mga ka-Isms.
And second quarter, Mission versus Led Generation.
So Legion gets the arrow possession, Kois.
Oo. And 26-10 ang score, no? 16 point lead
And
ang
we
lamang ng Mission. And Escalyado with a 3, wala.
And we have a shout out sa one of our ka-items here, Harper Latombo. Shout out sa mga grupo sa Mission Kaglidjen.
Shout out, Harper.
Uh, Tip there by Pador.
Loyola. Inbounds the ball. Binigay kay... Uy! Wala. Here comes Legend with their pass break. Pador. Tumira ng tres. Pador. Bang! 3 points by Pador. 13-26 is the score. 9:20 remaining in the second quarter. De La Cruz to Lencioco. Loyola in the low post. Binalik
Oh,
sa
wide
labas.
open.
Tumira. Mission wala. Rebound by Legend. Here comes Legend running on the fast break to Muya. Muyas. Tupador takes the three. Wala pa rin.
Heat check yun.
De La Cruz to Lencioco. Lencioco takes the shot. Wala. Battle for the rebound. Pural versus Fernandez there. And Fernandez takes the foul. Migonins. Iba talaga ang malaki, no?
Yes. So Pural there showing everyone that, I'm big,
Oo. And so, I'm strong.
I'm strong, I'm big, and I am on a mission. But he fails to complete the three-point play. Nevertheless, it's still 28-13 in favor of Mission Hospital.
Correct. And Muya dribbling the ball. Binigay kay Escaliado.
Escaliado.
Balik kay Muya. Muya directing their play. Binigay kay Pador sa gilid. Pador posting. Binalik kay Muya. Kick out. Tumira ng tres. Bang! 3 points for Legend. And 28-16 is the score.
Good pass and good shot.
Yep. And eto nga, Lencioco drives to the baseline, spins, takes
Block.
the shot, wala. Rebound again by Poral, and another putback, pero short yung
A
tira
look
na
ahead,
yon.
hindi nakita ni Pador. But he takes it himself and he scores. So sabi niya, ba pa magpapasa? Score ko na to. And we see there the general going back to the scorer's table. Will
Oh, mukhang
sub in.
mapasok na naman siya.
Yes. Pural.
Poral, wala. Rebound by Lencioco. Lencioco drives sa ilalim,
Ooh, what a
pasok.
move.
What a move.
So Moya now takes the ball for lead gen.
7 minutes, 6
Pador
seconds
again.
remaining. Escaliado, tumira ng tres. Wala. Rebound na naman ang Mission. Ito na naman, Mission pushing for the break. 3-on-2. Gives to Loyola. Loyola, side step.
Easy.
Easy shot by Chris Loyola, the Ilonggo Black Mamba.
Parang ano lang, nagwa-warm up lang. Warm up shot lang yun for him. Pador.
Celo.
Ooh,
What a block by
Poral.
Poral. And hindi pwede yan dito sa bahay ko. And muntik turnover by Mission. Pador.
Uy.
Lifting ang tawag ng referee.
And we have a substitution on the floor for both teams. So the General Dilyaban is back in the ball game. So 6:24 left in the second quarter, Kois.
Oo. And 32-18 ang score, Migonins.
Mm.
Namang pa rin ang Mission dito sa game na to.
Uy!
Sayang yung set up play na yon.
So that was a good play. It's just
Oo.
that si number 91 he decided to drive.
Oo, miscommunication lang
Ah.
doon pero maganda yung setup ng play na yon.
Chris Loyola thought he's gonna go for the corner three.
Rebound by Lilchoco to Delyaban. The general directs the floor. Gives to Lumbayong. Takes
Ooh,
the drive instead and gets the foul.
iba talaga maglaro yung mautak, you know.
Oo, iba talaga. Makikita mo talaga sa galaw and yung pagdadala ng bola, no? Pagdadala sa laro.
And it's not even that, you know, that fast. Pero
Oh,
nakikita niya lahat eh. And that's why and is able to process everything.
correct. And that's why he is called the
The
general.
general. He goes one or two. So it's 33-18 with 5:36 left in the second.
Lamang pa rin ang mission dito sa game na to. Pador drives and what a pass to Allen Zoom pero hindi pumasok. Rebound by Poral
Mukhang
and
nagulat siya doon.
gives the ball to the general to set up the play. Binigay kay number 2.
Swing wide open.
Lencioko wide open for the 3. Wala. Lencioko gets his own rebound, takes the shot and the 2 points for Lencioko.
Minsan yung effort.
Azaraga gives to Alinsum. Back to Pador. Pador drives and wala. Sobra yung tira na yon pero natapik sa likod.
So team mission now slowing the pace of the game.
Oo. Setting up the play.
Delyaban pick and roll with Pural.
Lencioko open 3 again. Number
Corner.
2 takes the jump shot. Wala. And then
Oh,
a
no
big
one is
rebound
there.
by Lencioko. No one there to battle for the rebound for Legend.
Yes.
Badayos. Back to Pural. To Pador. Back to Badayos. Badayos takes the 3. Wala. Loyola rebounds the ball. And another fast break here for Mission. Tixon crosses. Sidestep. Takes the shot. Wala. Azaraga to Badayos. Badayos pushes the break. Binigay kay Pador. Pador drives. And tapal.
Yun
He
yung
was blocked.
problema if one-handed ka lang mag-layup ba.
Lencioko with a drive. Basket for Mission.
And a timeout for Lee Jen.
Oo, natapik bahagya yung bola na doon kay Pador kanina. That's why they were not able to convert it. And yun nga 39-18 is the score. That's the story of the second quarter. And 3 minutes 49 seconds and we'll be back mga ka-items after these reminders.
And we're back after a short break. So it's 3:42 left in the second.
Azaraga,
Offensive rebound for Lee Jen.
Badayos sa Pabila drives. Uy, may pasabit doon. Mautak din si Pabila doon sa play na yon.
Mhm.
Pasabit, pasabit move.
So Pabila will take two free throws.
Wala.
Misses the first one. He converts the second one.
Pabila is known for his high-flying moves sa ICCSF, Migonins, no?
Mhm.
Pero
He's,
parang dito, parang
he's one of the fastest with the ball as well. But this IBL Kois is a whole new ball game. It's
I
a whole
know.
different level.
Oo, pero parang nag-aalangan pa siya dito, no?
Mm. He's testing the waters. This is the first time rin naman for Legion to join a bigger league.
Oo
And
nga.
nice pass
Nice
there.
pass from Costan to Palmehar. Pabila to number 21 sa ilalim.
Vicente.
And what a shot there by number 21, Vicente. Tikson, jump shot, pasok from Costan. Tikson, ay, Pabila, rushes, gives the pass to Vicente. Vicente takes the shot. Basket again by Legend.
Snow Vicente. The Wish 107 DJ.
The playing DJ.
The playing DJ from Wish
Tikson
107
again.
FM Bus.
Wala. Pabila pushes the break. Pabila takes it all the way and there's a foul by Palmihar.
But that could have been a look ahead pass for
Oh,
Pabela
for
because
Palmihar, no?
no, he was there na
For
yung number 0 ng Legion.
Alinsub.
But nevertheless, he was still able to get a foul. So 2:09 left mga ka-ISEMs.
43-24 is the score. Leading pa rin ang Mission dito sa second quarter. And they will take their time.
So our official score is 43-25.
Tikson to Costan.
Oh,
And
nice steal by Pabila.
nasungkit sa likod ni Pabila yung bola.
Pablayo
And there's
sa
a pass break for Legend. Pabila,
Oh,
nice fake. And shot basket for Pabila. Palmihar to Tikson to Palmihar. Palmihar fakes, gives to Tikson. Back to Palmihar. Palmihar drives. Pero the steal by Asaraga. Here comes the pass break. It's a 2-on-3 situation. Asaraga waits for his teammates. And passes to no one. And turnover. Almost a turnover by Legend. Pador.
Oh, a steal
And
there.
a steal by Sulit. 3-on-1 situation here. Sulit will take it all the way. Wala. Nakuha ni Tikson. Tikson, wala pa rin.
Sayang yung 3-on-1 pass break.
Oo. No conversion there for Mission. Pero nevertheless, nakuha pa rin nila ang bola, no? And a miscommunication pass there. And eto nga, pumapass break na naman ang Legend. Pabila will take the 3. Open 3, wala. Silverio with a rebound. Tikson will take it down the court. Tikson crosses, fakes the pass, and then a move. A scoop shot by Tikson. What a move there.
Scoop shot
One of
from
the
a
highlight
fake.
plays of this game. Migunins. Pabila will take passes, Pador passes, pero walang pinasahan doon. And Mission will take the ball, turn over for
Tingin mo
Legend.
makakapasok yan sa top 10 natin for next week, guys?
Malalaman natin, maraming top highlights ngayon
Ang
eh.
dami na nating nalista dito eh.
Oo.
Oh, almost a steal there by Vicente.
Ang daming highlights ngayong week na to, Migunit. So, I'm not sure. I won't say anything. Palmihar takes the open 3. Pero short. And Legend takes the ball.
25 seconds left. Azaraga.
20 seconds.
Palmihar
15 seconds.
challenges Pador and still makes it. Last shot time for
Five
Mission Hospital.
seconds.
Tixon
Basket.
to beat the
And
buzzer.
that will be the end of the second quarter, mga ka-Icems. And we'll be back after the halftime. And stay tuned. And shout out to Ziner Erp, Lawlaw si Baog, and Mango si Palmehar. Wow. Pero thank you for the comment, sir. Hopefully next time positive naman. Pero thank you so much.
Alright, and we'll be right back mga ka-Icems. And welcome back mga ka-Icems to our fourth and last game of the day between Mission Hospital and Legion. So we're in the third quarter now where Mission is leading 49-27. So yes, it's a 22-point lead mga ka-Icems. Hindi sala amon scoreboard. Tsakto na. 49-27. Nelon Banyo, shout out to Edwin Coronado. Thank you, Nelon, for tuning in. Almost a turnover there for Mission. So Dilaban being guarded one-on-one by Bayados. Inside not a fake, but it's a traveling. So it's a turnover for Mission Hospital. So ball goes back to lead Gen. So Bayados now brings the ball up. Abadayos. Sorry. Muya. Inside to Pabila. There's a foul there by number 22. So ball stays with Legion. Muya with the offensive rebound to Badayos for an open three. Short. Pabila with the offensive board. And he puts it back. Strong effort for Pabila there. And he's harassing Tixon now. Loyola asking for a one-on-one against Vicente. Mid-range, easy shot. Badayos now against Dilyaban. Challenges Loyola. And what a move for Badayos. Pabila now in a hurry. Drop pass to Vicente, but it was stopped. So 51-31. Edwin Coronado, shout out to Nelon Banyo. Balos-balos lang ah. Chat na lang kamo ba mga sirs. Pero goods ah. Naminara ka mo doon sa comments. Loyola, up and under. Easy. Vicente now drives. A tap from Dilyaban, a steal by Dilyaban from behind. Dilyaban challenges Pabila. To Loyola again. Low post. Number 2, Tixon. Gives it to number 31. Short. And a fast break. Ooh, nice. Grabe yung effort ni Escaliado doon. So Dilyaban uses the pick from Loyola but misses the step back. Escaliado will challenge Loyola. Ooh! Escaliado saying, I am not afraid. Now Loyola now. Oh, what a steal by Vicente. Snow Vicente with the mid-range. No good. Badayos offensive board. Challenges Loyola again. Parang ginagawang target practice si Loyola dito ah. So Legion now showing some fighting spirit. Tixon asking to do for a one-on-one. Tixon mid-range. Short. Rebound by Escaliado. Will he challenge everyone again? No! A turnover. Pero yung buti na lang, hindi na control ng Mission Hospital. So, a timeout for Mission Hospital. Legion is having a run of their own in this set. So, Mission will take a breather and will try to re-strategize. So, again, mga ka-ISMs, to our 22 million viewers from all around the world, thank you so much for
And
joining in.
we want to shout out Ibrahim Anduko from Israel. Hopefully you're safe there, my friend. Thank you for watching.
And shout out as well to one of our friends na Prince from Dubai. Diba? Prince Abubu. Prince Ali.
And Princess Jasmine of Aladdin. We're having some fun here mga ka-ISEMs while commentating the game. And Delyaban, the general, passes to Lencioco. Lencioco drives, passes to Costan. Muntik na mabitawan. Costan drives, passes to Lencioco. What a fake and what a foul!
Oh, and
Basket
one.
for Lencioco, an end one there. Ang ganda ng pump fake na yon and the pump shot.
Finally, Mission Hospital able to score. He,
Lenchoco wasn't able to get the end one there. Pabila brings down the ball for Legend.
he sees Vicente in
Legend
the
to
middle.
Vicente in the middle. Wala,
Short.
short. Rebound by Loyola. And Delyaban says, let's take our time.
Ah,
Passes to Lenchoco to Tixon in the middle. Tixon waits for his teammates. Takes the shot. Wala.
uy.
And a tap by Fernandez there. Muya on the break. Relaxes. Pabila directing. Passes to Fernandez. Vicente to Fernandez. Fernandez with a shot. Wala. Rebound by Pabila underneath. Two towers there pero walang foul. And here's a fast break for Texon. Texon will take it all the way.
Grabe yung effort ni Pabila pero Twin Towers yung kalaban dun, Kois eh.
Oo. Pabila with a pop-up shot. Wala. Delyaban, the general,
Being harassed by Muya.
passes to Lencioco. Passes to Chris Leola. Give
Uy,
and
give
go
and
to
go.
Lencioco pero natapek. Tixon takes the jump shot. Bang! And the
And
jumper gives Mission
a
59 to 39
20-point lead.
with a 20-point lead in this game. And we will take a breather for the for, for a bit, mga ka-ISEMs, and we will be back.
And we are back mga ka-ISEMs. So in the third quarter with 4 minutes and 15 seconds left, 59-39 is the score in favor of Mission Hospital. So Pabila now gives it to
Pass.
Moya from the corner. Decides to take a three. What a shot by Moya from Stephen Curry range. Inside.
Power move there by Costan inside.
Oh, what a steal there. So Lumbaning slows the pace down.
Passes to Lenchoco. Drives in the baseline. Passes to Costan. Costan in the baseline. Takes the shot. Wala. Two green shirts there.
To
And here's a
Moya.
fast break to Moya.
Challenges
Takes it all the
Lilaban.
way.
So 61-44 mga ka-ISEMs.
3 minutes remaining.
Shout out kay Migo MJ Trinidad. Congratulations for the win earlier for Kerlon. Okay.
Chris Loyola there was defended by one green shirt and one white shirt. Si guard. So, dinoble team siya doon, ha?
It's official. It's a doghouse.
Costan breaks
Ooh!
the defense underneath. Alam, pre. Pabila.
Tumoya from the corner. Drives. Mid-range. In and out. Costas with the rebound. Dilyaban says, let's slow it down. We're up by 19. Good Dilyaban. Up and under fake. Step back.
Step back. Wow, and step back with a fadeaway from Delyaban, the general, with 2 points there. And 65-44 is the score. 2 minutes remaining.
Kabila takes it in himself. Wala. Rebound by Poral.
Costan with a pass to Delyaban.
Dilyaban now against
Takes the
Pabila.
breather from the fast break. And the pass to Costan. Costan powering his presence, powering
Ooh!
his body inside and gets the 2 points. 1 minute 30, 67-44. And there's a foul
So
called by the referee.
after good run by Lydia, nag-timeout si Mission Coys, tapos bawi na yun.
Oo.
So it's now a 23-point lead with 1 minute and 30 left in the third quarter.
And shout out kay Migo Danlao, no? Pa-shout out sa lodi ko nga si April Bing Garson. May mga chicks ka naman da, ha? May mga April ka naman, ha? Sino na si April? Shout
Nelon
out
Banyo.
also
Shout
to
out ha.
Nelon Banyo. Shout out sa lahat ng MCC bikers. Thank you for watching, Sir Nelon.
Pabila, inside to Fernandez with a fake but traveling.
And
Na-intimidate siya kay Pural dun eh.
masyadong malaki, eh. And also Desilu Lusada. Shout out also Joshua Aaron Talabong. Thank you for watching, Miss Desilu. Palmehar, guarded by Cielo. Passes to Poral. Back to Palmehar. Palmehar fakes and takes the three.
Short.
Wala. Short yung tira na yon. And 55.8 seconds remaining in the third quarter. 67-44 is the score.
May konting delay tayo dito dahil na sa bola. Ayan na. O, to, dalawa na. So, para hindi na mag-ano, no?
Mag-agawan.
Hindi na mag-agawan. What if ganyan yung basketball, Kois?
Dalawang bola.
Dalawang bola, tapos may time lang.
Eh di masaya.
Tapos may time lang,
Madami-dami ng
tapos
shoot.
padami lang ng shoot after ng end ng time.
Pabila Topador.
Oh,
Uy,
steal
what?
by number
Ang ganda ng
22.
sungkit na yon, oo. And eto nga, Mission, nagpa-pass break na naman, Palmihar. Leading the break. Binigay
Inside.
kay Costan, underneath. Costan in the baseline, wala. And may foul na tinawag ng referee kay
Outside lang.
outside. Outside by Escaliado.
Almost a steal by Escaliado there.
Props to Escaliado, yung defense niya maganda.
Mm. And kanina, yung fast break niya, sinali siya si Loyola.
Oo, and another low post point there by Costan against Fernandez. And 69-44 with 25 seconds left in the third quarter. Pabila will take the last shot here.
Foul there.
Oh, may,
Overly aggressive.
may foul si Palmehar.
O penalty na yung mission.
Penalty ng Mission. Oo, tama.
Yes, penalty. So Pavila will take two. Oh, in and out.
And in and out. Coral. Costan with a shot underneath and nakuuna na naman ang rebound ng Legend dun sa possession na yon. Pador will take it down the court, takes the last shot. Wala. And that is a story, Migunins, of the third quarter. 71-44, Mission leading the game. And we'll proceed with the fourth quarter. Let's see. 10 minutes pa. Let's see if makakabawi pa yung Legend dito.
Mhm. We'll be right back mga ka-ISEMs. And we're back mga ka-ISEMs, no? We're about to start the fourth quarter.
And again, mga ka-ISEMs, this is Kois Bing. I'm together with,
Migonins.
and this is the fourth quarter, no? Last quarter of our last game in this week 2 of IBL Season 1. Azaraga with a 3, wala. Lencioco gets the rebound. Pero
Still
na-steal ni
by Badayos.
Badayos. And a pass to Pador.
Good steal by Badayos there. So pick and roll. Kick out to number 17. Walang tinamaan. Baka kailangan nating i-adjust yung ring doon, Kois.
Kailangan natin i-level.
Ooh!
Grabe si Escaliado dun sa drive na yon, ha?
Ilang beses na ginawa yan today.
Oo, and the 2 points for Legend. 71-48. 8:56 remaining.
Mid-range, short.
Ah, and a rebound by
Escaliado.
Escaliado.
Ooh, what a behind the back.
What a move.
Uy! Na-control pa rin yung bola. Parang Terence Romeo talaga.
Oo. Cielo. Binigay kay Azaraga. Tumira ng 3. Wala. Rebound by Tixon.
Di
Tixon
nakita
leading
yung
the break
kasama
for
niya.
Mission. Takes it all the way. Tixon with the 2 points.
Di nakita yung kasama niya doon pero it's fine. Escaliado brings the ball up. Topador. Inside. Banggaan. Short. Tixon. Handles the ball sa 4-on-2. Fast break formation. Pero walang spacing. This time it's a 3-on-1 for Legion. Badayos with a fake.
Muntik pang hindi pumasok yun.
Mhm.
Tixon. Alencioco. Slows the pace down. Lencioco with a
Foul
drive
by Badayos.
plus a push and an end one for
Sorry.
Lencioco.
A foul by Azaraga there.
Maanghang siya.
And he completes a 3-point play. So it's 76-50 now mga ka-ISEMs. Escaliado. No good. Oh, all alone for number 17.
Na-rebound by Lensyoko.
He drives. No call.
Amazona, jump shot, wala. Rebound by Pador. And 7 minutes remaining. 76-50 is the score. And a steal by Mission Lumbanong basket.
Substitution there granted by the our officials. Even, even though walang dead ball. So Dimshoko gets a standing ovation from his teammates. So 78-50. Azaraga. Open three. Short.
Hey,
Mm.
may foul doon. Vicente.
It's no Vicente. The Wish 107 FM DJ.
Silverio will take his first free throw.
It's a 29-point lead, guys.
Oo. Badayos, biniten, and may foul na nakuha.
So we have a shout out there from Sidjan Castor regards the player commission. Vicente inside, yes. So Vicente now will try to complete the 3-point play. In and out. So it's still a 27-point lead for Mission. I think Mission Hospital now has cleared their bench already. Celerio one-on-one with Pador. No call. Badayos with a rebound to Pabila. A foul there by number one. So Pabila will take two. So that's a foul by Kenneth Cordova of Mission Hospital. A close friend of yours truly. Pabila will take another and he goes 2 for 2. 79-54 with 25-point lead. Number 91. Sobra yung layup. Pabila gives it to Vicente. Loses the ball.
Lumbanong takes the jump shot, wala. Battle ng dalawang Mission sa rebound. Pabila, binigay kay Pador.
Sabi,
Pador.
di mo ba ako naamoy, pre? Naka, di mo
hindi
ba ako
hindi
naaamoy?
nagkaamuyan.
Ganito na yung baho ko,
Cordoba.
di mo pa
Wala.
maamoy?
Op,
Oh,
nagbanggaan pa. Mukhang nag-iba ng pabango yung isa. Kaya hindi sila nagkaamuyan.
Hirap naman pala minsan sa basketball. Kailangan may keen sense of smell ka.
Oo. Escalyado. Dumrive.
Ooh,
Pero
no
na
call
steal.
there.
Cordoba.
Oh, binigay
Binigay
kay
kay Muya.
Moya.
And Pabila will take the three. Bang!
Bang!
57-79, 4 minutes 30. To Lensyoko. Lensyoko, underneath. Pasok po. Ang tira na yon ni number 20. Hindi
Parang
ko po makita kung
18
sino yon.
nata yun, Koys. But I could be wrong.
Number 22.
22 pala.
Pabila drives. Tatlong mission shirt nandun.
Sino yung call?
And
Traveling?
Palmehar goes back. And Legend, man to man na ang depensa. Palmehar passes to number 22, Janas. And a shot there. Mid-range.
Floater.
Floater, pasok
Or
yon.
parang mini hook shot rin.
O, 83-57 ang score.
Vicente inside as did not control the pass. So
And last
another
touch.
turnover.
Oh, last touch ang Legend doon.
So Alin Sub comes in. Badayos takes a seat.
Palmehar to Cordova. Cordova. Cordova to Leon Lencioko. Passes to Sulit. Takes the shot. Wala. Rebound ni Escaliado and a pass to Muya.
Tumuya will take
Muya
a three.
takes the three.
Bang!
And another three for Linden. 60-83 is the score. 23-point lead po ang lamang ng mission. 3 minutes, 3 seconds remaining.
Palmihar takes a
Palmihar
wide
takes the
open
three.
three. Short
Wala.
this time.
Oh,
Ooh!
the smallest man in the court rebounds the ball. Escaliado.
So kilala mo na siya ngayon, Koys.
Kilalang kilala.
So hindi na siya si Ismail. Hindi na rin siya si Terence Romeo, but si
Escaliado na siya.
Escaliado.
Pabila.
Pabila with a drive.
Alinsub takes the jump shot. Wala. Silio. Passes to Cordova. Sobra yung pasa na yon.
Sobra yung pasa. So 2:29 left mga ka-Isons in the ball game. It's 83-60, a 23-point lead for Mission Hospital. So it looks like they will go to a 2-0 record, guys.
Oo. And
Unless there's a miracle that will happen here.
10 threes would be a miracle.
Hmm.
And another one for
Ayun.
Escaliado.
Nagpapakilala talaga yung Escaliado sa'yo, guys.
Kilala na kita. Sulit. Drives.
Ayun, sulit na
And a
sulit yung
nice
drive
side
doon.
step there by Sulit. And the last 2 minutes, 85-62 is the score.
Moya
Muya.
trying something.
And a
Turns
top
it
there by
over.
Sulit. Passes to Janas. Janas
3-on-1.
leading the break. 3-on-2. Dinerecho and basket.
Baka habol yung mission sa 100 points kasi parang lahat ng team ngayon na nanalo naka 100
Oo
something.
nga. Pero tingnan natin, no?
But if not, sige lang, a win is still a win regardless
Correct.
of the score.
Cordova, binigay kay Silio. Nasan si Crispin? Palmehar with a drive, forcing his way in. And basket for Mission. 55 seconds left in the ball game.
Azaraga will try a three. Short pa rin. Rebound by Fernandez. Gives it to Moya.
Muya
Tries to drive.
takes the jump shot. Wala. Rebound by Janas.
What
Gives
a
to
rebound
Cordova.
there by number 22. Kahit yung, at least kahit sa rebound, aesthetic rin.
Aesthetic. Cordova passes to Palmihar. Palmihar takes the three. Wala. Rebound by Janas. Tumira ng tres. Wala pa rin. Escaliado gets the ball. And binigay kay Azaraga in the pass break. Azaraga tumira ng tres.
Short.
Short. Rebound by Cordova. 14 seconds remaining. And Mission will let the clock run off here.
The mission bench is cheering Cordova to shoot it.
Bang! 3
A
points
one
for
for the-
Cordova.
A one for the road 3-point shot for Kenneth Cordova.
And their fans are asking for it. And they got
And
it.
he delivered.
Oo. And what a good game for Legend and Mission, no? But nakaungos lang ang Mission, no, with their good defense and no perfect offense. Score is 89-64 and
It's 92, Kois.
oh sorry, 92-64 because of the 3 points.
Ah,
And they will take the 2-0 win here in our IBL Season 1 Week 2.
so that
And
concludes our week 2, mga kaisen. So for all our viewers, thank you so much for joining. We will see you again next week, same time. Game starts at 1 p.m. Please like and follow our page as well sa Facebook. So just search iSems. And then our YouTube channel, iSems TV, we will post the replays there for your viewing pleasures. Please subscribe as well. So again, this is Migunis with,
Quiz being here.
and we wish you good night mga ka-iSems. See you again next week. Thank you so much.